Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Check your device OS and browser or app version so compatibility isn't the issue. Once done, verify the network type and signal strength. A flaky Wi-Fi causes many repeat cycles. Make sure to log out of the service, clear cache and cookies, then restart the app or browser to force fresh authentication. This reduces stored errors and begins a clean troubleshooting run that reveals deeper problems if the cycle persists. Once the surface steps are complete, move into diagnostics. Open the browser console or app logs and watch network requests to see where the cycle fails. You should disable VPNs, proxies, and browser extensions temporarily because they alter headers or block callbacks. Make sure to test on another device, account, or an incognito window so you can isolate user data versus system behavior. If you spot repeated failed requests or 4xx/5xx codes, note the endpoint and timing for the final fix. You now apply the fix that matches your diagnostic findings, re-authenticate tokens, reset the user session, or deploy a rollback if a recent change caused the loop. Once deployed, reproduce the full flow end-to-end to confirm the online cycle is resolved, and that state persists across reloads. If it fails again, capture fresh logs with timestamps and exact request ID to escalate. A single clear log excerpt often speeds resolution more than broad speculation, so include it when asking for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.